Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedra. You know it's New Music Friday. Movado drops Stuck It and Pocket, and it is already set to be a summer banger.
I all got the big links. Them boss my friend, them want wings. Me touch a foreign and scrape couple mills. When me land back a yard, them a stake up my bills. What them do? Stack it and pack it up. Stack it and pack it up.
The track, produced by Ramesh Entertainment, is off his Inna Dem Head Juggling, which also features Ding Dong, Valiant, Chronic Law, Stock Ashley, and others. Now the visuals from Blink Dog and the Unruly Boss Popcorn's Prayer We Use is out. It comes 1 year after the track was released and has propelled it into the spotlight. The track sits at number 10 of Blink's long-awaited 2022 debut album, Elevate, which also sees Blink collaborating with Christopher Martin, Romain Virgo, Tanya Stevens, Morgan Heritage, Busy Signal, among others. And Ramesh is also in celebration mode, as his recently announced newly signed top act Valiant has landed an endorsement deal with the telecoms giant Digicel. He stated, top-class artist, not only a talented artist but very smart and marketable. We don't listen to the noise. Now Rihanna is the new Smurfette. Rihanna is set to play a Smurfette in the upcoming Smurfs animated film. On Thursday, Paramount Pictures announced the news during their CinemaCon presentation, revealing that the singer will create and perform original music for the film. She will also serve as a producer. The Smurfs film franchise, which began in 2011, has seen the likes of singer Katy Perry in the role of Smurfette. The Smurfs movie is scheduled for a February 2025 release in theaters. Rihanna is not new to the big screen. In 2012, she starred in Battleship and appeared in Ocean's 8. Now, see you this weekend at Expo Jamaica. The public is welcomed at the National Arena, or you can watch right here on TVJ on Saturday and JNN on Sunday for live coverage. I'm Daedra reporting for your weekend edition of E Prime. Be safe.